Tunes!
Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn the letter K. K is for kangaroo and kite. Let's see what happens when they meet. K. Let's say it together, K. One day, Kangaroo was hopping through the field when he saw a beautiful kite soaring high in the sky. Wow! Look at that kite!
K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. K is for kite, flying in the sky. Kangaroo jumps, reaching up tall. Learning the letter K, that's the call. K is for kangaroo, so quick on its feet. K is for kite, flying so neat. Together they play under the sky, learning the letter K, oh my.
He jumped high and waved at it. The kite floated in the breeze, and Kangaroo tried to jump even higher to reach it. K is for kangaroo and kite. Let's say K again, K. Can you say the letter K again with me? K. That was so much fun. We learned all about the letter K today. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more fun letters. Next time, we're going to explore the letter L. K. That's the letter we learned today. See you next time for L.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos!